Good morning. It's the morning of day 4, the final day of FOOMA in Japan. Nakagawa Nantsune. Thanks. Let me explain what we're exhibiting. This is our 100th anniversary corner. Our company celebrates its 100th anniversary. So we've set up this 100th anniversary corner. Showcase company history. This is Japan's first domestically produced raw meat slicing machine from 1929, featuring an innovative circular blade grinding device invented by our company founder. The grinding equipment basically has the same form as today's models, and it still works. We're proudly displaying these classic vintage machines here. We're also showcasing our company history with nostalgic old catalogs. They show off that classic Showa-era design set. It's something we couldn't recreate now. This is our 100th anniversary corner. We also have a future of food survey, asking about what you look for when buying machines. Do you prioritize safety or ease of use? Output or processing speed? We also came up with some futuristic concepts. Beam, a slicer with camera-identified meat type and optimizes slicing conditions. Cutting without scattering. Unsure this would work. A slicer cuts meat, not hands. Kind of like a minimus melts in your mouth, not in your hand. A slicer that sterilizes. Machine slice. Amazing. Dream machines we made. Dream slicers we imagined. Zero cleaning standout. Great. Zero cleaning. We make machines washable. Concludes 100th anniversary. Next, right across from here, directly over in that direction. We have the Jupiter 3, which won the Excellence Award. FOOMA. We just missed out on the top prize. But a lot of customers have shown strong interest in Jupiter 3. The Jupiter 3 features several patented innovations, including a peeling device and a rack that improves yield. These features were recognized when the Jupiter 3 received the Excellence Award. This is the booth of our group company, Hella Spice. Last year, we had a live kitchen with set times. But this year, we're cooking delicious food non-stop. From morning until evening, all day long, for visitors to sample and enjoy. Hella Spice offers. Chef Yoshida has graciously joined us here today and is preparing a variety of delicious dishes. Next, this is the chicken portion cutter, commonly found in professional kitchens. Attracting. It's still a reference exhibit, but it's a machine that uses 2 passes to reach target weight. Let's begin with the chicken cutting demonstration. First cut, second cut, 2 passes to reach. The target weight of 30 grams per slice. Primary cut. You heard 2 light sounds. That's the primary cut. 1 piece of chicken is divided into 3 parts with 2 cuts. The primary cut weights, which refer to the measured portions in this context, are 91 grams, 61 grams, and 93 grams. Each value represents the weight of a specific cut, measured in grams. Since our target is 30 grams, we cut into 30-gram pieces. Now for the secondary cut. weigh secondary cup pieces. The weights are 32 grams, 31 grams, and 31 grams. $31 grams, 31 grams, 31 grams, 31 grams, 30 grams for each individual serving. This is how our chicken portion cutter cuts to the target weight. It opens up for easy washing with water. Designed for easy cleaning, many visitors appreciate its compact size. This is our reference exhibit chicken portion cutter. We're aiming for market release soon and will continue. Carefully conducting verification tests thoroughly. We also exhibited last year the Zeus 3D pack portioning slicer, the Scorpion automatic portioning robot, connected with almost tray sealer in it. Automatic portioning and packaging line. This year we're also demonstrating this system. Everything connects. Raw meat input, cutting to exact portion, then Scorpion portioning. And tray sealing for packaged mat solution. Packaging. Top seal packaging like this is what this line is commonly used for in protective applications. Deuces. Another machine generating significant response is Hades Bandsaw. Its reference exhibit, Hades Big. Last year, you can see the slicing video playing now. The key feature is minimal waste on the final slice. Vital. By pressing and cutting without final chucking. The final slice is extremely thin with minimal waste. That's my hand in the video. This is the Hades Big. We exhibited it as a reference last year, but we are already selling the regular Hades machine. Overseas, it's used specifically for cutting LA galbi, small bone and short ribs. The Hades Big is longer, wider, and taller. Today we're showing pork chop slices, bone-in pork loin, auto bandsaw Hades Big. Also a reference exhibit, but receiving great response. Thank you. On the right side, we have the logistics line. This year we have a robot palletizer and an automatic cardboard unpacking machine. Last year we exhibited the Scott automatic unpacking machine, which we further refined by shortening the machine length for this highly efficient, fully automatic cardboard unpacking machine. This robot hand has depalletizing functions and palletizing functions. Same hardware, different software, can't share functions. Today, we're demonstrating depalletizing with automatic feeding to the unpacking device and a continuous line. Showing depalletizing followed by palletizing. Contributing to the entire food production process, we offer automation and efficiency solutions for incoming goods processes. We also have our standard models as well. Poseidon, chop type Poseidon. And the RIA 3 frozen slicer. And the Pegasus meat slicer. This time Pegasus is shown with a lever switch, not button. It was operated by button, but customers requested lever switches. So we're showcasing the lever switch version as a reference exhibit. Here we have products that have already been released and are already well received right here. The i1 high-speed cutting machine connected with the IKSC high-speed dicing machine for dicing lines. With cooperation from Bandsaw, we're also exhibiting thaw chamber. We also exhibited at the Meat Industry Show as a reference exhibit, the Unicorn, a fresh meat slicer. This has received an overwhelming response in the Chinese market. Orders coming in. The tabletop fresh meat slicer Unicorn and the HPC are our standard models. Argos 22, the meat chopper Argos 22. And something different, a far-infrared electric griller. Binsho Nami uses the same frequency as Binsho charcoal for this innovative, versatile, and exceptional grilling platform. This is with Ushio Saisakusho. This time, with Toziai's cooperation, we have a very compact and user-friendly skin pack machine. It's very compact and easy to use. This is Toziai's machine. Exactly like this. With conventional machines, you had to carefully cut the film with cutters, but this one uses punched forms that punch out directly like this. Very convenient. Form changes and film changes are designed with attention to detail. It's user-friendly. Finally, I'd like to introduce this washer-dryer. This is the Electrolux compact hot water washing machine and dryer. At first glance, it looks like a regular washer-dryer, but it's designed to completely remove oil and blood for the food processing industry. It delivers the same quality as commercial laundry services. For customers who regularly spend a lot on uniform rentals, laundry, and linen services, or those having trouble removing blood and oil stains, this machine offers both substantial hygiene benefits and considerable cost savings. Drum action, precise temperature control, and time adjustment, and detergent injection, all of these important parameters in the process are carefully and precisely programmed into the system to automatically provide optimal washing conditions to completely remove oil and blood stains. This is Electrolux washing machine. Uniforms present both significant and ongoing financial cost issues and risks of contamination from take-home washing, bringing bacteria and foreign matter into the facility. Washing in the factory eliminates these risks. For uniforms and cleaning cloths with blood stains, in-factory washing ensures complete cleaning. Hygiene cost. This different approach to proposals is something we're offering this time. Interested customers, washing machine. We can provide proposals. For example, this machine offers cost benefits. Please contact us. Thank you. This concludes our 100th anniversary FOOMA booth tour, and we sincerely thank you once again for joining us today. Many customers have visited us. The chicken portion cutter and Hades Big have received tremendous response. Though they are still reference exhibits, we'll work hard toward commercialization.